Good day everyone, I'm Benjamin Aplianes, your math teacher. Today, you will learn how to solve the sample mean for group data. Alright, let us have some examples. Example, the following table gives the frequency distribution of the number of orders, class intervals received each day during the past 50 days at the office of a mail order company. Calculate the mean. Right, these are the given number of orders and the frequency. F is the frequency. Right, for the first class interval, that is 10 to 12, the frequency is 4. For the next class interval, the second class interval, that is 13 to 15, the frequency is 12. For the third class interval, that is 16 to 18, the frequency is 20. For the fourth class interval, that is from 19 to 21, the frequency is 14. So take note, F is the frequency. Right, this is our formula. The mean, the symbol to denote the mean is x bar, and that is equivalent to the summation of fx divided by the summation of f. Again, this is the symbol to denote the mean, that is x bar. Right, the given table is also called as the frequency distribution table. The number of orders is also called the class intervals. The f is also called your frequencies. 10 to 12 is your first class interval with a frequency of 4. 13 to 15 is your second class interval with a frequency of 12. 16 to 18 is the third class interval with a frequency of 20. And the fourth class interval is 19 to 21 with a frequency of 14. Right, from the given frequency distribution table, we are now ready to solve for the mean. Right, we have here now the solutions. Let me explain to you how did we get x, fx, summation of f, and the summation of fx. Because these are our requirements to solve for the mean. We need to put this in place before we can solve for the mean. Note that the only given is the class interval and the frequency. Right, let me explain now to you the solutions. These are now our solutions. Right, what is x? X is the midpoint of the class. It is adding the class limits or class interval and divide it by 2. Again, x is the midpoint of the class. It is adding the class limits or class interval and divide it by 2. Right, how did we get 11? That is, add that first class interval, that is 10 plus 12 equals 22. Then 22 divided by 2 is 11. Next, to get 14, you add the second class interval, that is 13 plus 15. 13 plus 15 is 28. 28 divided by 2 equals 14. Next, how did we get 17? 17 is from the third class interval, that is adding 16 plus 18 is equal to 34. 34 divided by 2 is equal to 70. Next, how did we get 20? 20 is from the fourth class interval, that is 19 plus 21 equals 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Right, we are done solving for the midpoint or the class marks. Right, let us proceed to the next column, that is fx or f times x. Right, shall we proceed now? Let us start. How did we get 44? 44 is coming from f and x, so that is 4 times 11, that is 44. Next, how did we get 168? That is coming from 12 times 14, that is equivalent to 160. Next, how did we get 340? That is multiplying f 20 and x 17, so that is 20 times 17, that is equivalent to 340. Now, to get 280, just multiply 14 times 20, and that is equivalent to 280. So to get fx or f times x, just multiply the frequency and the midpoint. Right, let us proceed to the next column, that is the summation of f. The summation of f is taken from your f, from your frequency. Add all your frequencies. 4 plus 12 plus 20 plus 14, that is equivalent to 50. And that is also your n, equals 50. Right, to get the summation of fx, add all fx, that is 44 plus 168 plus 340 plus 280, that is equivalent to 832. So you have here already the summation of fx, the summation of f. So we can now solve our mean because that is all our requirement. So to get the mean, Just divide 832 divided by 50. The result is the mean, which is equivalent to 16.64. Right, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.